Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Woburn Toyota in Woburn, Massachusetts, we have their pre-owned 2017 Focus RS. This one does have an exhaust. Looks like MagnaFlow, ETS intercooler, Ryan Turek shift knob. I'm gonna check under the hood, see if there's an intake on it. Mishimoto intake, all right. Nice. It's a good amount of mods on this one here. And all the right mods too, as you can see. There's your ETS intercooler. I do believe this is RS2. Got the nice Recaro sunroof, sunglasses holder. There's your Ryan Turek shift knob. I'm in sport, but you know what? I'm gonna go into twack mode, because that's the more fun one. Taking this over the bump, so let's see if it clears. This may have an upgraded clutch too. Either I just haven't driven one forever. Oh yeah, track mode. Definitely makes things a little bit stiffer suspension wise. Love those brakes. It's not loud, officer. No, this is factory. 100%. Normally not a fan of shift knobs, or aftermarket ones I should say. This one's not bad. Obviously it's just a matter of unscrewing it and replacing it, but wish this one had the drift stick. I had a Focus ST. I had a 2018 Focus ST, and I so badly wanted to buy one of these, but they don't lease them, and to finance one it was going to be dumb money, so I was like, alright, whatever. The fact that this one's in nitrous blue makes it nitrous blue. Yeah, it's the most common color, but for a very good reason. It is the best color on these. Obviously, it was the launch color. And this was also a very, very rare car. 2 model year, well, 2.5 model year exclusive. 2016 was very hard to come by. 2017 was the only full model year. And then 2018, you had the limited production ones, the final editions. So, very, very rare car. Definitely a lot rarer than the STIs. I mean, even Focus STs are pretty uncommon now, and those were around a lot longer than these. Track suspension's a bit much. old Boston traffic. I mean, we're not that close to Boston, but this is the 95-93 interchange. So it's gonna be well, and that doesn't help things either. Pop. Pop. It's so loud. These cars. I miss my ST, man. Oh, especially stepping right out of the Type R. They're so different. They go about the same task in such different ways. Or just go straight in front of me, that's fine. Oh, what a car. God, do I love these. You know, if I could swing one of these in addition to my car, That would be a garage lineup. I don't know if I ever said the miles. This one has 47,829 currently. Did I tell you guys I like this car? I like this car. I've driven the big two. The Type R and the Focus RS. The Golf R I've driven a few times. I would say the Golf R is a perfect mixture between the Civic Type R and this. In terms of being fun to drive and having that boisterous exhaust note, you know, the pops and crackles and all that stuff, I would go character-wise, Golf R, it's very, very serious. Civic Type R is very playful, but the Focus RS has the most character, has the noise, and it just has that feeling of drive me as fast as possible, and it's just loud and, I'm not going to say obnoxious, but boisterous about how it goes about things. Also has the most power. But power doesn't equal character and vice versa. Power does help character, though. I will say the Veloster N should get thrown in that mix too, but all depends on what you're looking for things. What is that? C43? Yep. Now this does have launch control too. I'm not going to use it. I have used it and it's awesome. It's just very obnoxious and it's not very perfect for these kind of streets. My bad. I don't like doing that right next to people, especially with their windows down like her. It's just a good way to be obnoxious. Don't you go. Good job. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.